Today, we have an exciting comparison video for you. We'll be comparing two top-of-the-line robot vacuums, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Roborock Q Revo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is packed with advanced features, designed to make your cleaning experience hassle-free. With a price tag of $869, it offers great value for money. First up, the Q7 Max Plus features an auto-empty dock purer that automatically empties the robot after cleaning, storing up to 7 weeks of debris. It also has a powerful 4,200 pascal suction, vacuum and mop simultaneous cleaning, precise sense litter navigation, and an upgraded brush system that resists hair tangles. Its battery provides up to 180 minutes of runtime, covering a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 SQFT. Now, let's move on to the Roborock Q Revo. Priced at $899, this robot vacuum offers a range of features that make cleaning a breeze. The Q Revo comes with a feature-packed dock that offers auto mop washing and hot air drying. It has a 5L water tank, dual spinning mops, auto mop lifting, and a 5,500 pascals extreme suction. It also features reactive tech obstacle avoidance, precise sense litter navigation with 3D mapping technology, and support for Roborock app and voice control with Amazon Alexa and Siri shortcuts. Its maximum mopping range is 4,305 SQFT. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is generally well received for its performance, although it requires some effort to set up correctly and may not work well on certain types of flooring. On the other hand, the Roborock Q Revo has mixed reviews, with some customers praising its vacuuming capabilities but expressing dissatisfaction with the mopping function and build quality. Both robot vacuums offer incredible features, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.